Hello everyone, Velin the Bond Savin, welcome. Today hi masai bol banana electricity the chapter running a third video lecture thum nai bol de din. Chila hi la thang pia na circuit ong ki pia le circuit solve dan chi bol de. So how to solve a circuit? Open circuit hitata loop hitata na ilo le loop ni le thum so mostly na ho syllabus ai loop ni chan vel ko song ki pi ji jana. So hi cho jong ji bol de na bol dan ho chu chichu hong hintin abale last video chana chu resistance ti hovel na question ki relate chi ho chu combination of resistance ho abon ai bol chai tan. So let's go through all those videos abana chu chalai circuit anong lu dio. Okay, then we'll see masanga banga chu he lecture ho he na lecture slide so hi na deiwa le anuya ke pi description na telegram link a he na chalai ko na he ane ki download theu chaตัว question ki bol hobe he na he choi he thim le chun alang pia question he ji circuit a question ong ki pia le chun butang circuit ki bang chu avia vela ki repeat lo de chu. Okay, they will give you completely new circuit he ji circuit ong ki pi pa chu it is solving hamna approach dan pa chu pai mo cha. Okay, then I will start masapena chu circuit ong ki solve pha la chun ki mang chu pi ham te le Kirchhoff law ki mang na NCERT chu Kirchhoff rules ke tin den he rule te jing oten na NCERT follow ten hachila hi Kirchhoff rule hi niyo maintain sa penchu junction rule ketia ani na penchu loop rule na junction rule chu pi ha junction chu suppose batang hitia hi junction khom chu na junction hi current, let's say current I1 chu hong chu bana current I2 jong hong khotila junction hi ke su to hon da chu I1 chu tia honga I2 jong chu tia honga ke su to hon na let's say after they meet I3 hi chalang chiu ti ta so I3 chu chalang y ra chi I4 chu chalang y ra chi na khutele chi junction rule pa hi pi ke sai na ham tele he chala he sum of currents entering na current hung lu jau se chu am ho chana plus wala chun hi chi total pa chuna it will be equals to the sum of all the currents that are leaving. Example chala he pp hung lu da junction a he I1 to I2 hung lu chala na so these two sums should be equals to apod khu I3 to I4. Okay, simple ta saying asuna. At any junction, the sum of currents entering the junction is equal to the sum of currents leaving the junction. Chichu Kirchhoff rule, junction rule, na rule number 1. Ata bale chichu ita cho. To hi first rule pa hi kan tha ji cho. Ti kan tha ji ham tele. So I can write this as I1 plus I2, okay, minus I3 minus I4 is equals to 0. Ahi lo le I1 plus I2 plus minus I3 plus minus I4, so this is equals to 0. To chi pi ke sai na ha. So junction khorong ki pi al chun na at that point of at that junction the sum of all these currents with which are either coming into the junction leaving the junction amma hodo si chun plus wala chun you'll get 0. Okay, junction khat por chuna sum of currents leaving, sum of currents entering and sum of currents leaving chu na sum na add wala chun total to 0 ong po dio. So or you can say that this is conservation of current. Total pa 0 hi jeng na. Okay, there is an additional point as is pale na he pa hi piam tele he pa mang cha hi short trick ta khan involved chu circuit solve dan na ti cha choita Kirchhoff current junction rule pa hi ti kan ji so sum of currents is equals to 0. So that is Kirchhoff junction rule. Ani na pen chu loop rule. Loop ki ti chu loop khat hong pot phol na ti chu hilai suppose example you have resistance battery khat hong ma again resistance ita hi battery khat hong ma na ale he chala hi chi betang loop rule pa hi pm tele suppose potential drop ho he na across let's say battery khat chu v1 tu den khat chu current ta chi le chun khotele across resistance a chu let's say potential drop chu v2 tu den potential difference across resistance na abana battery ni na pa ko v3 tu den abana resistance khat pa ko v4 tu de he chala hi potential drop bo se na potential difference bo se ji du chala he so loop rule chu pm tele azo chu current chu 0 chala na sum of all the currents to 0 ha he chala he sum of all the potential should be 0 ti chu v1 plus v2 plus v3 plus v4 is equals to 0. To chu azo ase value chun current entering ho chu positive ila over current leaving ho chu minus ila chula na chu to banga chu potential jong hi So when a potential increases across current hita chi cholana hita chi chon across this V there is an increase in potential chi chu hilai plus hongom ding across V2 a potential resistance across achona current achiel chon potential drop te cho. So therefore actually you have to write here minus V2 na ji dan chu chita bang chu da plus minus home ki le chu lai tu hen hiten alhang pi kha jiu ten azo phale circuit in solve phale na phate kan explain this. Okay, loop rule to become sum of all the potential difference is equals to 0. Okay, just a loop rule na current to become sum of all the current is equals to 0. Okay, Kirchhoff rule ni na circuit problem solve na ke bang. So let's see hama sapena circuit ju open circuit na hisalang to hisalang ki mal law tiso loop hilo na open circuit. So you have a open circuit here below sun chala hi a para b chan na. So you have a na potential difference by 11 volt is resistance by 2 ohm abana battery khar homa abana resistance 3 ohm ma achaina pena chu potential at b is 2 volt. Okay, question chen p do find the current flowing through the circuit. Hitia hi alampia circuit question am ke dol khon current hi kidongnum pen jo achila him. So what is the current flowing through this branch na what is the current flowing through this circuit hi hovela ho ale e hon ma sapena he diung chu biham tela circuit a na current hi ti chi ham current chi dan chu biham tele current flows from higher potential to lower potential. So very important chipen na melchi masat min na current chu hilang pa hilang chi ham tele potential sana ko na jo potential nim na nga chu chi ji just like electric field na current flows from higher potential to lower potential. Abana he chu he ta chuna hotele he head wal chun circuit khalong ke pi ala chun step chu pi follow du ha. So he ho se na follow du cho buka ta ke jilo cho solve da na jong le ke ma experience agona na masanga ken ka ki prepare la ya lecture kan ngai ho ko na point ho kan si me jana cho he pi ham tele current circuit khalong ke pi ala chun masapena chu pi bolding ham you have to write the currents in the circuit current ji masap pen du current chu tik ziding ham azunga point ke pi ba from higher potential to lower potential current ji na current chu drawing vintin current draw zo wal chun pi bolding ham across the resistors and batteries na resistance to batteries ho across achu plus minus sign input du chu icho na thiblang phala pujang pun ngai lo mai thena he jong le aki pantil he je wa chu concept he na dinga chu input du cho plus minus sign ichi bola plus minus sign ke diam tele azowa Kirchhoff loop law na potential drop to potential increase te ka ti pa chu na he chu he thaina dinga chu plus minus sign put du abana chu third step chu piham potential equation Kirchhoff loop law equation pa chu na he je pa chu involved du Okay, then let's try to follow this. Masapena chu current drawing na current chu ti drawing ham from higher potential to lower potential. Kutile achunga he value chun a hi 11 volt na b chu 2 volt. Kutile a chu sangzo chola na. So that means current has to flow towards the right side. Let's draw the current. Let's say I. Okay. He chozao si abon I value chun series arm chola na. So all those which are in series will have the same current. Same current flows through series. Okay, kutile current I chu alhong ke tai current I bo chir ta chu. Okay, then first step ki chai na current is sign tau ani ne so pm put plus minus sign put dan hina. So if you have a resistance example hita resistance hum na suppose let's say current is flowing like this I kutile ise ma bang chu current so higher potential apara lower potential chi na. So that means current has to go from higher potential to lower potential. Okay, plus apada minus chiti na so. So across resistance plus minus sign dan chu iti koiding ham tele current chu verma sadiu current china to dungsu ya chuna plus minus e put diu current chu hitilanga chila chun plus hong masading abana chu minus hongom de. So abana chu suppose you have resistance and now current is flowing like this. Kutile plus minus iti bolding ham from higher to lower. Current in a direction pa he vela na hitia chile chun so it should be from plus to minus. Okay, atile chu resistance eta na abana battery chu is he tau chala last video jong chu. So if you have battery like this asaw pa he plus he jing ding. Okay, so the longer one is always plus, the shorter one is minus. Hitila ki koya jong le asaw pa chu plus heading achom pa chu minus hedi. So plus minus battery ki koi pa he na current ki depend lo chu. So longer one is always plus, shorter one is always minus. Okay, then khutile plus minus ga apur tuna la hen. Across 2 ma khu current value chun zilanga chi chuna telanga hen. Khutile plus apara minus achi ngai na. So I have plus minus. Abana across 4 volt ahi asaw lang pa khu plus ding achom lang pa khu minus. Okay. Abana across 3 ohm chu plus minus aji chu current chu zilanga chi na. And last is resistance nito battery khatom. So now we have put the plus minus sign. Okay, ita na put na plus minus sign chu. So the step thumna chu piham potential equation ji ngai na. So potential equation hi ti ji du ham tele you have to start from one point and you go till another point. Chu like pipa he piham tele a par ai ji du b chan ji du na chala hi. So therefore I have to go from a, so VA chu potential at a. Okay. Abana chu tang equation G na himang sa iman sa piham. So when the current flows from plus to minus, okay, when you're going like this, current is usually na. So current so putang hilai resistance I will plus apara minus kachilachun. So what is the meaning? So if you go from plus to minus, so potential decrease dinacho. So that means you'll have minus V. Aso lang ka sa pen Kirchhoff rule minus V to plus V zong katisyo na current entering ho plus ahiya current leaving ho minus ahita pangachu potential decrease palachon minus potential increase palachon plus. Okay, so when you go from plus to minus, so there is a potential drop to minus V. When you go from minus to plus, so potential increase, that means plus V. Okay. So across 2 ohm hu. So when I go, I'm going from plus to minus. Na, I will have here minus potential difference across 2 ohm. Ohm's law of V equals to I into R. So here current is I, resistance is 2. Okay, potential equation kasi here. Abana battery ko value so plus apara minus kasi na zilang kasi. So here I will have here minus 4. Abana across 3 ohm aku plus apara minus kasi na tilanga here. So therefore again minus I into R. So 3. Abana last pin na destination point paucho final point paucho equation equal to zilanga na zidio. So here B is the last point. Na B last point paucho zilanga na zidio. So VB. Okay. Hita hena circuit kharong ke pile equation jitan chu chi hi jing cho point khara pana zidio point khat. So you're going from one point to another point. Abana hechi last point pa hi equals to zilanga ke ji cho sipen last point pa bo se khona chang se a. So here you try to solve this. VA to 11 kpia minus 2 into I. So minus 4 minus 3 into I is equals to 2. Na B to 2 is a sika solve le chun sa po do de ha. So 3I to 2I to 5I should be equals to. So 11 minus 4 to 7. 7 minus 2 to 5. So I choose that 5 by 5, that is 1 ampere. Kutil achilai current ahe na achilai circuit I current choose that 1 ampere. Okay. Current flowing from A to B. Na. Okay, to step iman ho na hecho email chitaw. Step to piham masapena current assign ing bol na current you have to write the current, assign the current. It is how is assigned you tele current has to flow from higher potential to lower potential. Okay, abana chu current is iso phaleo plus minus sign is iduna across resistors and batteries. So resistance across achu it is idu current chu itilanga chi alachun it should go from plus to minus, current chu itilanga chi alachun it should go from plus to minus. Abana battery achu asaw pa plus ding achom pa chu minus hide. Okay, always na potential equation chu it is you have to go from one point to another point. Okay, write all the potential differences. So across resistance achu I into R ke bang na V equals to IR. Across battery achu imaman ngalo V to V hizing na. So if you go from plus to minus, potential decrease, potential drop, to minus is it na sila minus mo he. Abana minus apara plus ichi kha wala chun to potential gain to plus is it na. Okay, then I will solve more examples like this. Kutil abana hi ita hi circuit ka kepiket na he chong hi open circuit. So I'm going from point A to point B. So first step to piham current assign ngai na. Current to iti assign you current has to flow from higher potential to lower potential. 16 apana 5 cm ngai na. Khutile, so I have to draw the current I. Hichi series ahijachu na bona series amjachu, so same current flows through each and every resistors and cells. Khutile current is jai wala bana so plus minus is na across 2 ohm chu plus to minus across 3 ohm ko plus to minus, across 5 ohm ko plus to minus. Abana battery hongo mala chun asaw lang chu plus, achom lang chu minus, asaw lang plus, achom lang minus. Okay. Now we have to write for equation. So haokipiit ding so VA. Okay. Across 2 ohm ako potential drop to minus na plus apan minus kachi hola. So I'm going from plus to minus along this direction. Chiji achu. So I have to write minus I into R. Okay. Abana across 6 volt pa hebela chun to hi minus apan plus kachi da so because I'm going towards the right side na current ka follow cho. Khudile potential increase ahi ja chu chila plus 6 kachi ta chu chila. Okay. Abana across 3 ohm ko minus apar plus apar minus ka chikit na, so therefore minus I into 3. Abana across 2 volt ahi, so plus apar minus ka na, so therefore potential is drop. Jisa chu minus 2. Abana across 5 ohm ko minus I into R, so this should be equals to VB. Okay, last pen chu zilang ka na. So put the values VA to 16 minus 2 into I plus 6 minus 3 into I minus 2 minus 5 into I should be equals to 5 volt. So current is equal 8 vin lang zi lang transfer leuchun. Alo sai lang kara transfer leuchun. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 I should be equals to 16 plus 6 to 22. 22 minus 2 to 20. 20 minus 5 to 15. Okay. So therefore I choose a dingham. So 15 divided by 10. So that is 1.5 ampere. Okay. So amount of current flowing is 1.5 ampere. Okay, next. So here I have from A to B to C. A to 8 volt, C to 0 volt na. Atire heji current holdan pa chu hero ta za to current kyu helo wenten na. So any point on the circuit ahi potential ta jong ketong thaicho. What is VB ta jong ketong thaicho. Okay. Ahilo le what is VA minus VB ta jong ketong thai na. So we'll try to see. Hutile masapena current holoten current chu higher potential apara lower achi ngai na. Hutile A apara C chan achi ngai. So current is in this direction. Okay. Abana plus minus purutin. So plus minus plus minus. Battery aja chom lang minus, saw lang plus. So plus minus. Okay. Kutil sign ki put saita equation is due. So 8 minus I into R, so 2I plus 4 minus 6 minus 4 into I should be equals to 0. Net himpal tahi direct ana due na. So you have to be able to solve this in 2-3 lines only maximum. Okay. Kutil si solve lesson ham 4 to 2 who 6I should be equals to, so this is 6. Okay, 8 plus 4 to 12, 12 minus 6 to 6. So therefore current is at 1 ampere. Okay, so therefore current is 1 ampere. Ale to current he tau na. To til dang potential difference hoki dong jong le ma sapena I hol ju current hol masan ngai current om lo le jin ki solve thelo cha bana ke ban ke chal thelo na. Kutil A part chu chi ta cho chi. So this is A part. Ale B part ko peham what is VA minus VB. There are two ways of solving. One way to A ki he chola na. You can find out B and then just subtract the values. Okay. Ahilo le equation is pao hai na. You write this equation from A to B. A part B chan ji tao. Okay, I'll show you. You try the second way na. Ani na pa cha method ni na pa cha follow tao. Oh. So the bolding ham tele I have to go from A, so that is VA minus IR. So I chu ka heta chu to hai na. I chu 1 hisa, so 1 into 2. And plus 4, so this is equals to VB. A to B ka potential difference adoji achu B chan bau ka chide. Okay, this equation has to go till B. Kutele B ko hin transfer lechun, so VA minus VB. Adang hoi zilanga transfer lechun, so 2 minus 4, so that is minus 2 volt. Okay, kutele A to B difference potential difference to minus 2 tacho. Okay, that means so here it's a part pa hai na. So VA minus VB is minus 2. Kutele chilai ko na jong hi, you can tell me what is the value of VB. B hi potential is at ha. So A to A chila na. Minus VB should be equals to minus 2. Kutele VB to that idem 10 volt. Okay, so VB to 10 volt. a difference q hello in tin I exact point potential pa jang chu ki dong thai chu na. So this is how you find out. Okay, and so VA minus VD. Okay, his pen his C his and you can make correction here. So VA minus VC. So VA minus VC so thung ke equation ga jing lo na aji chu A value ke he a C value ke he chala direct in subtract le chun his. Okay, so what is VA minus VC? So VA to 8 is a VC to 0 na. So that means this is 8 volt. Okay, take a so VC value pa chu ke hello da chala na. Okay, hello wala chun you have to write the equation. You have to go from A to C. Okay. Then next to hi open circuit mama hi wanga chu original circuit pa chu nia ki home khan na, they are burnt out. Okay, then what are the current flowing through the branches A, B, BC and BD? Current hole mas out na chala hi. So now mas apena current assign ibol diuja chi current assign chu na hi chi current chu iti ki assign ham tele. So higher potential to lower potential mamai man kit na ai wanga chala hi iptm tele current chala ya AB hang pa chu na current AB hang pa chu now at the junction B it is going to split out into two ki hom khen ta chu. So chi phala chu current na ne sign phala chu na iti ne sign du ham. So let's say 12 apara hi A apara hi I hung chu na current I hung pa chu let's say now it distributed into two BC langa chi pa hi I1 tu de. Okay, kutil I la I1 achi do le remaining cho pe ha. So I minus I1 which is chu BD langa chi de na remaining part cho. Okay, now you put the sign. So plus minus and then plus minus. Okay, current direct so dung ya cho. So battery ya cho minus plus minus and minus plus, right? To current equation in z pha na. So how do we write the equation now? So A pa na chi diu C chan na chi diu tai equation kanung pote na chala hi aban la khat chui pham A pa na chi ke ding within D lang na chukum la diu tai. Okay, equation ni hung podo ding aji cho unknown variable nium jana I1 to I cho. So we need two equations to solve this. Okay, so first equation chu from A to C. Okay, equation chu pide ha. So I will go from 12 so minus 2 into I. Okay, so plus 4 abana so BC lang ka kaltawala chun minus 4 minus 2 into I1 na chala hi 2 oma potential difference to I1 ta na current so 2 into I1 ka jinga so chala hi. So final point is 4. Okay, C ko na. So you solve this 2 into I1 to minus 2 into I1 ko sai lang ka transfer la chun. So 2 into I1 plus so 2 into I1 2 into I plus 2 into I1 to minus 4 plus 4 cancel out 4 pa khu veilang a hong la chun. I will have here 8. Okay, so 2 to cancel la chun. So I plus I1 should be equals to 4. Equation number 1. Okay, chita banga hi equation ni na pa chu A para D chan na ji diu na. So let's say from A to D. So A to 12 volt across 2 ohm minus IR. Okay, so 2 into I plus 4 abana kong kum ding. So plus 2 minus 4 into to hi current so piam I minus I1. Okay, so this is equals to 0, right? Okay, then is that done chala here? So 12 plus 6 to 18 minus bracket ko hanal chun minus 6 into I minus plus 4 into I1 should be equals to 0. Okay, hello le. So you can cancel all of this by 2 na. So 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 9 are 18. Kutile next equation pa chu. So 3 into I minus 2 into I1 should be equals to 9. Equation number 2. Okay, to chu hi ta equation ni ngom zo pha le na he cho he nan mu jing diu za elimination method mang ta o. So try to eliminate either I or either I1. Khat pen eliminate diu. So ti eliminate bol diu ham tele lai vela chun equation number 1 pa he na 2 to multiply vil lang. Equation number 2 pa to hin plus bol chun. So 2I1 to minus 2I1 pa chu ki eliminate ta chu cancel ta chu. Okay, let's do that one na. So here if I do so 2 times of equation 1 plus equation 2. So then I will have here 2 times of equation 2 2I1. Okay, plus 2 into I1, 2 into I plus 2 into I1. Bana equation number 2 bako. So 3 into I minus 2 into I1 should be equals to right hand side zone for 2 are 8 plus 9. Is that term? So 2I1 gets cancelled out. So 5 into I should be equals to 17. So therefore I is equals to 3 are 15, 4 are 20. So I is 3.4 ampere. Okay. So I hung podo ala chun I1 to iti holding ham. So you put this I value in the any one of the equation. Okay. It's like I by put chun I1 pang pot that. So let's try to put that. So 3.4 plus I1 should be equals to 4. So therefore I1 to that ham 4 minus 3.4 to 0.6 ampere. Kutile I1 zong hung pot na. So current to iti involved ha. So AB who current AB who I to na 3.4. Abana BC who that I1 to 0.6 seeding. Abana BD who that so 3.4 minus 2.6 2.8. Okay. So these are basically the currents through AB, BC and BD. Nah. Okay, that's current in here evaluation potential difference so like it dong ke bol thai ta. Okay. So first to A minus B, VA minus VB. B part na. Kutil A para B chen ka chiding equation ka zide. Na. So that means so 12 minus to current ke na I into R across 2 ohm khuzan ham. So I into R. So plus 4. Okay, here I don't need to put the values. A difference ko whole maybe this na VA minus VB. So this would be equals to VB. So VB chen ka chiding so I have to write VB on the right side na. VB ko hin transfer leo chun. So VA minus VB to that ham. So to 4 are 8, to 3 are 6, minus 4 to 2.8 volt. Okay. Ito be potential difference to 2.8 volt. Habana cho piham VA minus VC. That's a VA minus VC so value ki head alachun hiji equation zingai lo na. So A to 12 is a, C to 4 is a difference to that ham 12 minus 4 that is 8 volt. Okay. So this part is 8 volt. Hiji method pa na hiji Kirchhoff law ki apply a ki solve pa hi alang pia board exam na pia wala na board exam adung ako a solution ko subjective hi ako pati a song ai na hi choi na apply by tan bol board exam ako na eba chi entrance exam ahong ki do ala chun hiji sang a chom zo na bai zoi ki solve thei cho trick ke manga hiji pen cho zo phal in bol deu so I'll teach you how to solve this more easily afterwards. To hi next I concept pa hi deu na concept chu piham resistance ni na parallel ahong ki connect phale khun current distribution pa hi na iti ki distribute ding ham che pa hi herungai cho. For example chalai 3 ohm to 4 ohm pa hi parallel am jana ale current 21 ampere hung pa chu hiti I1 to I2 hong ki distribute ala chun I1 chu za de ha I2 chu za de ham. So how can you tell that? Hiti a solve dan hina ratio in man by solve du cha. Chu piham. So here I have to take the ratio of I1 and I2. Parallel connection hong mala khun resistance ni chu if they are connected in parallel amani potential difference chu ki bang dis na. So they will have the same potential difference. This is also potential difference across to let's say this is V. Okay. Ale I1 is to I2. I1 is to I2. Chu chu za de ha. Is to get to ratio get to divide his so simplest simplify that na divide divide to simplest form as ratio is na. So here I1 ko because it have V by R na I so V divided by R so 3. Okay, is 2 across 4 ako so V divided by 4. Okay, it ratio ahi numerator denominator ahong malachun so multiply both of them by the LCM of the denominator. 3 to 4 LCM is 12 so na. So here V by 3 into 12 so is 2 V by 4 is to 12. So is that so so 3 4 are 12 abana 4 3 are 12 abana ratio here same term hong mala na same term hong cancel so tai so you cancel them out. So I will have here 4 is to 3. So I1 to I2 ratio is so 4 is to 3. Okay, so we have to use this ratio to find out the current. Ale I1 to that pododing ham so I1 will be given by hilaya ratio I1 here 4 so na 4 divided by sum of I1 I2 4 plus 3 into whatever total current is coming. Total current hung is at 21. Okay, solve that one. So 4 by 7 into 21. So 7 1 is 7, 7 3 are 21 na. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 are 21. So is that 4 3 are 12 ampere. Okay. Across 3 ohm current lose that 12 ampere. Similarly across 4 ohm current lose that so 3 divided by 4 plus 3 into total current 21 na. So 3 by 7 into 21. As well as cancel 3 3 are 9 ampere. Okay. So verify dan na hesite ni gom le total current na hingai cho. So 9 plus 12 so 21 ma market na. So therefore it is correct. So I1 to that I1 to 12 ampere. 12 ampere to across 3 ohm loading, 9 ampere to across 4 ohm load. So this is how you find current distribution across two resistors connected in parallel. Question solved. Okay, first question. A figure shows a part of electric circuit. The potentials at A, B, C are given 30. Chipen hi concept pa hi lo so chi hi masangai bol pao hai na. So this one hi pa concept pa best. So let's solve anyway. PKPM A to 30 volt KP na ji 30 volt. Abana B to Z KPM B to 12 volt KP C who 2 volt KP. Okay. Then current passing through 20 ohm. Current to assign masapero na. So let's try to assign the current. Let's say across 10 ohm hi current I chi teuta. Kutele across 20 aku I1 na chia la chun remaining to so I minus I1 to 30 ohm ho chi ngai na. Asai bolta bang ba cho. So let's write the current equation. So from the positive A to B. Okay. So A to 30 across 10 ohm aku minus I into R. So 10 into I. Okay. And then across 20 ohm aku minus 20 into I1. So this would be equals to 12. That's the master part na. Hita hi sign 0 na plus minus pull ozong tai ke bol thai jing cho. Okay. If you want to put plus minus sign, you can put it plus minus, and plus minus. Okay, is that the so I will have here 10I plus 20I1 should be equals to 18. See, cancel it na. So 2 5 are 10, 2 10 are 20, 2 9 are 18. Equation choose ang potam. So 5. So 5 into I plus 10 into I1 should be equals to 9. Equation number 1. Okay. That's next part from A to C. Okay. So A to 30 minus 10 into I. So kakum so alachun minus 30 into current to I minus I1. So this should be equals to 2. Okay. Is that that? So 10 minus 10 to minus 30 to minus 40I minus plus 30 into I1. So plus 30 is equals to 2. So if I transfer 40 to 30 zilang ka so I will have here 40 into I minus 30 into I1 should be equals to 28. So cancel boke so 4 are cancel 2 na 2 20. So 2 15th and 2 14th. So is that the so 20I minus 15 I1 is equals to 14th. Equation number 2. Okay. So it is solved. Ham eliminate ni mandu na chala here. Which pen can eliminate here. So here I can eliminate I. Okay. So if I divide this into 4, I will have here 20I. So 20I ka subtract they will eliminate. So that means 4 times of equation 1 minus equation 2. So you can bolt it. 5 4 are 20 into I plus 40 into I1. That's a minus 20 into I1 minus plus 15 into I1 should be equals to 9 4 are 36 minus 14. Is that how so 20I I1 hello na happen. So 20I to 20I cancel out. So 55 into I1 should be equals to 22. Kutile I1 to that so I1 equals to 22 divided by 55. Okay. So 11 into 2, 11 into 5. So that means 2 by 5. Okay, 2 by 5 to 0.4 ampere. Okay, option B. To chipen hina, so as you solve the level to south house na. Kirchhoff law patia in apply tahi subjective answer in design ala sun chi cho answer na khodi dan na. Board exam la dunga na so da khodi dan ta na khodi ai wa cho zo phale hi chi technique ti lo na dang khat kan hilu cha bol dan. So we'll do this afterwards. Hotel bana next question to hi chipen hi azo parallel combination of current distribution pass na hi chu apply do chalai. So in the given circuit the current in the resistance R3 is R3 so which ham so 4 ohm na, so let's say this current here is I3 achung now current hu I2 tiute. Okay, abana current hung pa, let's say this is I1 so hunga I2 to I3 ki distribute na. No wala total current pa I na la wa khat pe hu I, you can take any I1 I2 na nom la ta kholo na. So here batang mas pe na chu I1 here ngai cha hejite ni hold the value. So I2 to I3 hold the nga chu total current pa chu here ngai cha na, so ratio equal to value. So how do you find out total current? Last video I bol special question at saying I bol here network here. So from this network find the equivalent. Okay, it's equivalent part to the divide bol total current hum pot. Okay, could equivalent that the so if I try to solve this, but 2 ohm na 2 ohm. Okay, so 4 to 4 here parallel so solve for that pot 2 ohm. Last video question tam tai bol bang here. So 1 ohm, I have 1 ohm here. Kutil amount is series arms na. So therefore 2 plus 2 plus 1 to 5 ohm. So this is your equivalent. R equivalent. Okay. Ale total current is income. So current I1 should be equals to, so 10 divided by 5, which is 2 ampere. Okay. Now I know how much current is coming across 2 ohm. So it's like 2 ampere hong ta. 2 ampere here I2 to I3 hoke distributed na. So I2 is to I3 should be equals to, so V by 4 is to V by 4. Ratio so ke bang cancel the. Okay, so I will have here 1 is to 1. So therefore what is I2? I2 to 1 divided by 1 plus 1 who 2 into total current to 2. So this is 1 ampere. I3 who is at ham. So 1 divided by 1 plus 1 to 2 into total current to 2. So this is again 1 ampere. So ratio ke man ju ka be sab me mai jana hita hi resistance ki bang ni ho mal chon current to equally ke distribute so you can so logically if you think also you know it na resistance ki bala chon current to ki bang chara ke distribute. So 2 ampere pa chu 1 ampere to 1 ampere ke distribute. Okay, answer to pm so across R3 to 1 ampere. Okay, banan in next question 2 as shown in the figure, network of resistors is connected to a battery of 24 volt with an internal resistance of 3 ohm. Hita hena internal resistance ke pia akasai banga hena circuit ta banga hena. So normal resistor ta bana consider hito chi circuit ai ta yang mala na. Alang pa internal ke hi cells involved phale khona cells howa khu menza internal resistance pa hai. So here the current through the resistors R4 and R5 to 20 ohm to 5 ohm ahi current is that na I4 to I5. So here it is given that current are I4 and I5. Okay, hotel azo atabang suna current 24 volt apa ahi current is arang pod am chu i hol ngai na he chu hung ding tin. So whatever current is here, it's like hung ki hom khen na ki to chana. So equally it will get distributed here and then comes again and to form again I chalai jong I hi cho chalai he. I pa chu I4 to I5 I ki distribute kit na. So that means we have to find out I. Batang he cho hi vela chun chong hi network of resistors um na je. He chalai network of resistors um din he chi equivalent pa in hold audio. He chi equivalent pa chu na 24 pa na divide wala chun cha chu total current hang pod de. Last video I bol ho chana chai lang I bol ho cha. So let's see. To ju current circuit hong ki pi ala chun na he chi circuit hoi diagram avial vela zilo hi lai tai he chi bo si akona jong na equivalent hold on na ke zelo ngai. So you need to know how to do it. Okay, example chu lai vela chun 2 to 2 hi parallel am chuna chi solve la chun sa na pod ding ham. So I will have here 1 ohm. Okay, khutile chila he 2 ohm oma abana cho pm 20 to 5 hi na 20 to 5 hi equivalent jar ha 20 into 5, okay, divided by 20 plus 5 to 25 na. So 5 are 25, 5 4 are 20. So 4 ohm tinacho. So that means this is 4 ohm. Abana 2 ohm chalai hung uma, abana 3 ohm jong ohm na. Ama ho hi vela chon abon wa hi series arm cho. So series arm as in that na value here 3 4 5 9 10 11 12. So that means total is 12 ohm, R equivalent na. So therefore total current is that ham. Total current will be equals to 24 divided by 12. So that means 2 ampere. Okay. Hilaya 12 APM. So this is the R equivalent. Okay. R equivalent is solved level na. Ale total current ki heta. So now I have 2 ampere coming here. Ale 2 ampere pa chala jong hi 2 ampere heading. Okay. 2 ampere pa chu I4 to I5 ke divided na ke distributing. Ale I4 to I5 chu ti bol de ha ratio ana. So I4 is to I5 should be equals to V by 20 is to V by 5. Okay. So VV gets cancelled out. 20 to 5 LCM to 20 chula na. So if you take LCM multiply, I will have here 1 is to 5 4 are 20. Okay. Ale ratio to chita. So 1 is to 4. Hotel I4 to equal to ham as well equal to so therefore I4 is 1 divided by 1 plus 4 to 5 into 2. So that means 2 by 5 ampere. Okay. Similarly, I5 to zadang pododing ham I5 to 4 divided by 5 into 2. So that means 8 by 5 ampere. Okay. Answer to ham 2 by 5 to 8 by 5. Option number C. Okay. Moving on. Atwa hi azaw lang atuna open circuit bol za to hi loop na closed circuit involved pandu so chila hi loop hat chuna chi hi. So you have one loop here. So how much current is flowing in through this loop chipa chu solve de. Okay. Step ho chi pita. Masapena ju current assign masading current assign jo phala chun plus minus ji ngai na. Plus minus zidan jong chukil potential zidan jong so open circuit achi bol ta na abona ki bang chu chalai hi. So here if I want to solve this question, so find the current flowing in this closed loop. Current to assign bol masat ken jo bol masat pen jo aso open circuit aso then current flows from higher potential to lower potential iti na. So sometimes we don't know okay huilang hi higher ham huilang hi lower ham ki hathelo jo loop ita ong ki pi alehin. Okay. So it is very difficult to understand to identify na. This is a loop hong ki pi pha lehin current direction pa hi you take any direction. Okay. No na te na jing ta. We want to take clockwise here. Okay, if you want to take clockwise like this, no problem na. Anti-clockwise jong holo. Suppose here you take anti-clockwise na lao na. Ale anti-clockwise na lao hi current hi suppose let's say after solving everything minus 2 ampere bang pot sa. Khutela hi minus 2 ampere hi pi ke sai na ha. Hi minus ni pi ve sa ham tele ai hon direction ila pau hai na. Actually this is not correct. Okay. 2 ampere chu di chu current chu na. Ai van direction pa chu hi tilang zo hi opposite lang zo hi hingai. Okay. Hi chu correction all an ball here na. 2 value pa chu current magnitude pa chu ki whole pa chu di chu. Okay. Kasi banga chu so you can take any direction. Zilang nala do wa zong le clockwise also no problem, anti-clockwise also no problem na. Example chu clockwise nala wa final answer chu I is equals to 2 ampere hong marson positive value hila chun chu answer hita chu. Ai fanga chu I equals to minus 2 ampere hong pot ala chun is a direction pa na hialongai na. So current is actually flowing from C to B. Okay. Okay. First step to assign current voltage chalai. So let's take so let's take here anti-clockwise ga lao to then current chu anti-clockwise achi na current I tube te. Okay. To chu current assign zo pha lew na he chi current direction na assign pau dung su ya hi plus minus na ji udi so. To chu hitilang na ji wa la plus minus jong chi dung zo ya na ji diu. To chu veilang na ji wa jong le anti-clockwise na ji wa jong le current direction pen chu na. So plus minus jong chu chi to dung su ya chu chi to hi sa ba chu na ji ngai chu. Chichu piham suppose I is now written as anti-clockwise. Kutil plus minus to t zidu ha. So across resistance current across 2 ohm pa hebela chun chipa he na current chu tilanga chi chule na. So therefore it will go from plus to minus. Okay. Chichu plus minus plus minus plus minus. Okay. Battery achu sa pa plus champa minus plus minus minus plus. assign ke na to the current equation is due current equation chu is due ham so you can start from any point okay suppose here say here par ke padding azo ta ban chu zilen ka chi ding final point chu starting point mama chung long ki de cho okay so that means I will have here VA okay minus 2 volt pa hai na from plus to minus 2 minus 2 abana 5 ohm across ako minus 5 into I abana 10 volt pa ako minus apara plus na so therefore plus 10 abana 3 ohm pa ako minus 3 into I abana 3 volt pa ako so plus to minus 3 and then 2 into I so last point 2 again VA so VA ma makong lun kita cho okay so here VA cancelling so I will have here 0 on this side solve legend so 5 10I should be equals to is that the hazela here so minus 2 plus 10 to 8 8 minus 3 to 5 nah so therefore current is equals to 0.5 ampere okay so this is your current current kyu hilo na to zo ai bol ta bang what is VA minus VB VA minus VC ti hovel ke dong thai cho ale chala hi VA minus VB cho hi ha so a para B chan na chi so current direction hi village anti langa chi chula na so I will go from B to A okay B upper eka chiding so VB across 3 ako minus 3 minus 2 into current chu kehta na 0.5 final point to VA okay 2 in VB pa hi zero transfer leuchun so VA minus VB to minus 3 minus 2 into 0.5 to 1 na so this is minus 4 volt okay chita banga cho bana pia A minus C A para C chan na so VA minus VC so current ta chi chola na I have to go from A to C okay so VA hotele 2 volt ako plus para minus ka chi na so current direction ka zui jo je current ka zuya plus para minus ka chi la chun so I have to write here minus 2 abana 5 ohm resistance ahi minus 5 into current to 0.5 abana plus 10 finally VC okay so VA minus VC to biham adang si zila transfer leuchun elo le solve masaut na so 5 into 0.5 to 2.5 is ana so 8 minus 2.5 to 7.5 1.5 see I have minus 2 minus 2.5 plus 10 see here plus 8 so here I will have here 5.5 na okay so here 5.5 plus is equals to VC okay so from here VA minus VC so that so this is minus 5.5 volt okay it's solve le na similarly B para dijan so VB minus VD cho pe ha B para ka chiding dijan ka chidena ai le D para current ka zuya sun D para ka chiding B chan ka chingai cho okay so that means VD minus 5 into 0.5 okay so plus 10 bana minus 3 into I 0.5 should be equals to VB okay tun VD pa hi zero ko transfer le chun VB minus VD hung po deta na zero ngai zat ham minus 2.5 plus 10 minus 35 per 15 1.5 should be equals to VB minus VD okay zanang poram che so here VB minus VD is equals to 3 4 so you'll have 6 volt okay potential difference na okay abana khat to bol beote na I think I have one more atile mas sapena chu pita current sign bol ngai na so clockwise anti clockwise khat pen chiko sanai anti clockwise lava current chu plus ong po chuna chila here so that means the direction that we have assumed is actually correct okay so now abana hi ga bol ke to chila hi so here let's take again anti clockwise and see what happens normally clockwise is not here na so let's say current is flowing like this I okay so all I current is signs of palachun plus minus put in na plus minus so put ding ham so along asang lang so plus som lang minus na so plus minus plus minus minus plus plus minus minus plus plus minus and plus minus okay to chu e para ka chi ding ding point khan para ka chi ding ka vel vela chun point ka chi ka ki paton ma kung lon ki na la hi. So if I start from A, so VA, so I will go like this. After that I have 30 na 32 plus apara minus ka chi chun potential drop cha chu minus 30. Okay, abana chu so 3 ohm chu ka vela chun plus apara minus ka chi ki chuna da I'm following the current, so minus I into R, so 3 into I. Abana so 22 aku plus to minus na, so that means again potential drop, so minus 22 into I. Okay, abana 15 volt pa vela chun minus apara plus ka chi na, so therefore plus 15. Okay, abana 13 ohm pa jang khu minus 13 into I, 10 volt pa jang khu plus 10 aji so minus apara plus ka chi na, abana 5 volt pa khu minus 5. Okay, and then I have minus 12 into I, so this should be equals to VA. Okay, so ita ka KVL equals to, so you can also write like this. Nah, anti-clockwise at you. So then VA gets cancelled out. Okay, kutile is that I host is here minus 3 minus 25 minus 25 minus 50 so to transfer so I will have here 50 into I, so this is equals to minus 30 plus 15, so minus 15 minus 20 minus 10, so here I will have here 10, so minus 10 so 30 to here minus 15 so abana chu chito hin chichu again plus 5. Okay, so here I will have here minus 10. Okay, and minus 10 is a term current solve leuchun, so here I will have I is equals to minus 0.2 ampere. Okay, kutile current hi negative ng pot achuna chila hi ai wa chu negative pot wa chu ne thilbo so di lo chu a value pa chu 0.2 chu di chu ai wanga I hon direction hi anti-clockwise in lo chuna current hi, so we have assumed that current flows anti-clockwise, but actually current pa chu zilang so ai na clockwise so ai ta chi chu. Okay, so you have to write that. So here current flows clockwise na chu A B C D A. Okay, so with magnitude is that 0.2 ampere. Okay, just an answer na. Okay, so at the so VA minus VB ti ho so avela song kitong kinda iti boldo ha VA minus VB kiti elchun, so now current is actually towards the right side, it is flowing like this. Okay, it is at 0.2 ampere. Okay, current should chi elchun, so you'll have a plus minus like this, minus plus like this. Okay, and you can solve like that na elo na abui be seletin, just solve it like that. Just start from B and just go thazi lo na. So when you go from B to A, so VB minus 5, okay, minus IR to I tang current I ho assumption pa na he che pa na la wal chun current so minus 0.2 na puru ngai cho chalai he. So I will have here minus 0.2 into resistance to 12, so this is equals to VA. Okay, is that the B khola transfer lo chun, so VA minus VB2, so I will have here minus 5 plus 2.4. So that is how much? So 2.6 na. So minus 2.6 volt. Okay, potential difference. So okay, similarly bana chu VA minus VC na A para season chidiu. So this is along the current, so no problem na. So A pan ke padiu season chidiu. So A chu so VA minus 30, so minus 3 into I 0.2. Okay, abana chu minus 22 into I chu 0.2, so plus 15, so this is equals to VC. Okay, to solve lessons that have VA minus VC chu, so here I will have here plus 30 hu khulan chiding plus 0.6 plus 4.4. Okay, minus 15. Zarang pot dia so 15 15 plus 5 is 20 volt. Okay, so that is the difference. So happen try na B apa D pen here, so you go from D to B. Okay, and then you find out VB minus VD, right? Here so loop hadong ke pia na solve dan lang pi na, so step to me say how you apply with as here. Okay, then to hi loop if you have more than one loop ni hungo mare na. So chichu iti solve deu tam a bolan ki bang cho zawa loop khat ai bol teu chona. So now you have two loops, so you will write two equations. Chila hi loop khat oma. Okay, hilanga hi loop khat om na ta hi. So loop 1, loop 2. Okay, kutel ama sapenin loop 1 ai solve masauta na. Step 2 is evaluation current assign masat ngai chona. So first is to assign current. It is assign you current ho. So now it depends on you. Okay, nang man phana sa sa na assign this na. Jong alhang pia chu idea na nilo va so assign nan chu. Suppose let's say 4 volt up 4 BE burns pa na. BE burns up pa hi. So here let's say current I comes here. Okay, current I comes here. So let's say current I1 goes on this side, then remaining I minus I1 should go on the BC side. Azo lai bolta bang ba chuna. Current I hung chu I la chu I1 chu langkhalanga chia la chun, remaining I minus I1 chu langkhalanga chengai. Oh. So he just solve that pa hena. Trick dang ka hel masang ma chu chi normal regular method pa ko bol de Kirchhoff law pa chuna. So here kutele current ka assign zo wala chun plus minus sign ka put na. Plus minus sign ka chu ti ka put jam tele he direction pa ka zuidi. Okay, you have to follow this direction. Whatever current you have assumed na nang ina assume pa chu he current direction to dung zu ya chu plus minus na put di. Chu iti bol de ham I1 chu value chun tilanga chi chuna. So current is going like this. So that means plus minus will be so plus minus. So plus minus. Okay. Abana BE burns pa ko value chun current chu chi to na tilanga hi. So therefore plus to minus, minus to plus. Abana chu CD pa ko plus minus, plus minus. Okay. Kudile as plus minus sign ki chai ta na. To hi equation ji ngai. So ama sapena chu int loop A F E B A. Okay. Loop 1 pa ko na. So loop 1 pa hi Kirchhoff law ka apply la chun I have to go from one point ia par ko kipat ki dezo single loop i bolta bang ba chuna. So I have to go from VA apana ko 10 volt ko minus 10. Okay. Minus 5 into current to I1. Ka hong ding in 10. So I have to come like this. Now I am in EB branch. Okay. EB hi ka thi ta ka chi to la chun. So plus to minus ka chi chula na. So therefore plus to minus is a potential drop. So minus 2 into even current pa I ta chalai. Okay, now it is I. So plus 4. So this is equals to VA. Okay. Ita ka chiding. So chalai potential is ho hi volt to cell battery to cross resistance abo is usna ja. So here how much will you have? So 5 I1 plus 2 into I should be equals to minus 6. Equation 1. Okay. Chito pa nga su loop nina pa ako. Second loop ako zi leo chun. So in loop, is that chala here? So B E D C B. Okay. B E D C B. So B pa ako kipan kate na. So B ako kipan la chun VB. Kahong dingin tin. So I have to come like this. To chuvtang current he zuite te ngai lo picho chi loop ji pha le hen na equation ji pha le hen. So now I'm going to go anti-clockwise. So I'm going to go like this. Okay. And then I'm going to go like this. So VB pa kahong la chun chalai 4 volt pa he value chun. So now I'm going from plus to minus. Okay, hiti lang ka chala na. So therefore I will have here minus 4. Abana across resistance I 2 in betaw azo lang chum across resistance hong chun minus hi jing chun na minus IR. So I'm going from minus to plus. So plus I into R. So I into R. 2 na. So 2I. Okay. So I will go like this. Again, across 12 azong hi minus apara plus kasi na. So therefore, so plus 12 into I minus I1. Okay. So plus 6 is equals to VB. Okay. VB is that tato here. So 12, 13, 14 into I minus 12 into I1 should be equals to minus 2. Okay, so 2 to cancel in bona here. So I can cancel them. 2, 7 are 14, 2, 6 are 12, 2, 1 is 2. So I will have here 7I minus 6I1 is equals to minus 1. Okay, equation number 2. तो जो जितने ही elimination method नमन वन न solve के दियो ना इती बोल दियो हाँ elimination जो. So here I have I1 ही 5 to 6 ना खुद ले LCM ला ते ngay. So 2 to 7 na LCM ला ngay. So here let's let's try to eliminate I1 eliminate ta jisu chalai plus oma chalai minus na khutile first equation pa hi 6 to multiply velang second pa hi 5 to multiply le chon. Okay, that means so 6 into equation number 1 plus 5 into equation number 2. 6 5 are 30 into I1, 6 2 are 12 into I plus 5 7 are 35 into I minus 5 6 are 30 into I1 should be equals to 6 6 are 36 minus 5 1 is 5. Solve na. So 30 I to minus 30 I cancel out. So I will have a 47 into I should be equals to minus that have 41. Okay, so therefore current is bottom minus 41 divided by 47 ampere. Okay, so I is na. Kutil I to imovale I to khat pen pen ko ilosun. So just put it here or you can put it here. Okay, no one did na. Okay, to hi I pa hai na. Equation number 1 I substitute boleosun. So I will have here 5 into I1 plus 2 into minus 41 divided by 47 equals to minus 6. Okay. So from here is that they have 5 into I1 minus 2 1 is 2. 2 4 are 8 divided by 47 equals to minus 6. Okay. That's when you solve it. So if you solve this, you'll have therefore I1 to that ham. So 84 by 47 minus 6 divided by 5. Okay. Let's say I solve na approximate and second side na calculation the bulging here. So you'll get approximately 0.84 ampere. Okay. Also what's I value pasong here. So this is approximately 0.87 ampere. Okay. So apoy mo biham tele chala solve dan pa hai na he solve dan pa hai he equation ki jidan equation tini ki jidan na pala elimination ki bola na I to value ki hold up ani ki hold up pencil. So this is important. So now khutele current chu he chala pa hi jata 41 by 47 chu 0.87 na hitai chintin abana I1 chu jan ponam I1 jang chu okay you'll have minus na I1 pa jang hi aji chu value so here you have minus. Okay, kutile I1 pa jang hintelang hi na. So current is like this. So chipen here 0.84. Kutile lang khalanga pa ko zadham remaining chu. So here is at ang pola de lang hi. So from here you'll have 0.03 ampere. Okay, current ang cha. Okay, then value ho hai na calculation in bol ho adi lo jong umai thai ka bol ka khur ho na. Because it's chimasang I prepare masajam bolo ta question hai. See whatever question is here, I'm just solving it like a extempore speech ka say banga ko na itai ka solving so you just recheck it again adi lo mkhale no hona di pasu ji ta ai banga steps ke mandan steps hona a process also ki bangso ke so jela he. So now in order to check this, I'm going to teach you iti trick the bang na he engineering na symbol chun he circuit solve dan na mesh analysis nodal analysis ta ki hom khen cho chi to I hope bol dan he cho he na he cho he chat he jong le mesh analysis pa ko na Kirchhoff law bol pa hin. So you have one more way of solving this to be KTM de nodal analysis na he to be ham. See I have the same circuit to so circuit ki bang maun cho he chi pa he master le chun so he tai circuit kha hong ge pya chun lum nium na jela he. Soehen ma bonds current to higher potential upper or lower potential jana chingai chuna. So therefore I have to assume okay circuit ai na one point to be the maximum potential. Example to jala point B pa hai na he je pa assume then suppose this point B is the maximum highest potential. He je circuit sungla la ding ai na potential sang na penti ne cho highest potential. Okay khutile current to highest potential apa achir chunal na. So current will flow, let's say chilang I1 tiuten, hilang I2 tiuten, lakhalang I3 tiuten. Okay. Ali ama se ju ki khom dio E hi, let's say E hi lowest potential na chila hi lowest potential. Abon changke was lowest potential nga chu chi du chu current ho chu na. So let's say here it is 0 volt. Sang pen pa chu, let's say this is x tiuten, nim na pen pa chu 0 volt tiuten na, x to 0. Okay. Kutil I1 pa jong highest upper lowest senjiding, I2 jong highest upper lowest senjiding, I3 pa jong highest upper lowest senjidi. Okay. Ale Kirchhoff loop law hilawin Kirchhoff junction law pa chu apply dio chu. Ale chalai point x a na Kirchhoff junction law chu ka apply la chu ni pita. So current I1 plus I2 plus I3 chu 0 hi ngai chu na. Okay. So what is I to V by R chula? So here in this circuit B A F E it's a level of x minus 10 amani bo say potential volt battery umjo. So I'm going to write like this, x minus 10 na battery ho chu chunga khaziding divided by chu ho chu V, that's a V by R chu resistance ho chu na 5 ohm ba chana chla he, so by 5 plus ani na pen khai B E pa hi velachun. So I will go from x minus 4. Okay. So minus 0 on zidno ba zita chla he chunga he na. So I will write here minus 0. Aji chu B a para ka chia E chan ka chi chula na. Okay, so again plus alai pa ko B hu x minus 4 minus 0 divided by 2 ohm. 2 ohm na plus abana I3 pa ko piham, so V by R ka bol ke ale x minus 6 minus 0 divided by 12. So this is equals to 0. Okay. Khotile chen solve de ta. So 5 2 to 12 na. LCM relation 60 na mo LCM here. So here I will have 60. So 5 into 12. So I will have here 12 into x minus 10 plus 30 into x minus 4 plus 12 into 5. So 5 into x minus 6 equals to 0. Okay. Chiti ka bolham. So 5 into 12 so 60 na multiply divided by 12. Okay. So 2 into 30 to 60 na. So multiply divide by 30. So multiply divide by 5. Okay, this is make a ball. So here it's a solve lesson. So 12x on pododing. So 30x to 5x. Okay. Is that tama ho? So here I will have here 47x. Okay. So minus 120. Here 120. Here 120. Here 30. Okay, so 30. So that means I will have 270 equals to 270 zing ka to kholang ka transfer la na. So here what is x to 270 divided by 47 volt. Okay. To chu chi value ni het wala chun I1 chu tin holo di ha chilang current pa chu tin holo di ham h x pa hi chila input le chun. Okay. H pa hi I1 chu na chi I1. Okay. So therefore I1 chu zat ham, so I1 chu, so 270 divided by 47, okay, minus 10 divided by 5 to solve lesson. So if you solve this, you'll get approximately 0.84 ampere. As I told you, check lesson. Similarly, I2 zon chu zat ham, I2 chu chilanga pa hai, so this one. Okay, HX value pa chalai pull lesson I2 hum pot chadle. Chichu 270, okay, so by 47 minus 4 divided by 2. Okay, you solve this. So you'll get approximately 0.87 ampere. Okay, I3 chu tin bol ham, so x pa hi chila input velang na solve ke lesson. So how much will you have? So you'll have 270 by 47 minus 6 divided by 12. Okay. Okay, so you'll get approximately minus, as I told minus 0.03. Okay, ampere. So like example by value hatima kan lakhan na jong le na pai mo chu solve dan pa chu na solve dan pa chu so che technique pa jong email che wala na lang pia chu che pen itia na ma thi wala na question chu you can solve it in less time. Okay, hotel question solve built in. So next question. Okay, mas penin Kirchhoff law te chuna bol mangutin aji chu ball exam piding ni hiwa zona na mandan penso. So here I have one loop 1. I have another loop 2 na chila hi. Mas pena chu current is sign na. So current chu itik sign de ha. So here I will write here, let's say chi I1 student. Okay. I student na chipen here. So chilanga hi I1 chiding kutila remaining CC2 I minus I1 2 lang khalanga chidina. So plus minus chu tiki putting ham. So plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. Okay. Ale BE branch ahi current chito ida chu plus to minus minus to plus. Lang khala hu current clockwise achina. So plus to minus minus plus plus minus plus minus. To current equation chidina bana chu. So in loop 1. Okay. Ia par kaki paralachun. So VA. So minus 2. Okay. Minus 4 into I1. Kachi pepeding EB branch are 4 on pahi. Valuations. I'm going from plus to minus again. So minus 4 into again to ahi current jatam I. Tazuna is right branch ahi current I. So plus 4 should kachi pepeding hilang kachi keding. So now I'm in BA branch. BA branch ahi minus 4. So minus 2 into I1 na. So this is equals to VA. Okay. So you solve this. VA cancelled out. Minus 4 and 4 into I. Zilang ka transfer lesson. So I will have here 6 into I1. So plus 4 minus 4 cancel out. I will have here minus 2. So 2 to cancel lesson. 2 into I plus 3 into I1 should be equals to minus 1. Equation 1. Okay. Abana loop 2. Loop 2 aku biar apa kaki para anti-clockwise akan jadi so. So I will follow like this. So VB. So minus 4. To sebetau hiti akan sia lecun. So I'm going from minus to plus. Nah, so jasu. So here we have plus 4 into I. Okay. So I will keep on going like this. So minus to plus to increase. So again 4 2 into I minus I1 current so na. Abana plus 2 minus 6. So ita kasi so minus to plus again. So I will have here plus 4 into I minus I1 should be equals to VB. Okay. Hitan long complex hoy na. Kitong hibeta hijong le concept hen na dinga su ibolo so hoy. So you just open this one. So 4I 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 into I. Minus 2 I1, 4 into I1, so minus 6 into I1. So this is equals to minus 4, minus 2, minus 8, so 8. Okay. Let's see that have 5 into I, minus 3 into I1 equals to 4 or 8. Okay, so elimination in bulk na valuation. So minus 3I to plus 3I om na. So direct aki eliminate oh. So you just add them. Equation number 1 plus equation number 2. So I will have here 7 into I. So I1 ki eliminate. So here I will have here 3. So I choose that ham 3 by 7 ampere. Value no dom ta na to he. So now the value is easier. Okay, he shot tabang hi boju question na exam la ke dong ko na. Hata ta calculation hata ta nan pi hi beto. So I ke heda lesson I pa hi mukha put lesson khapen pena. So let's put it here, okay? So 5 into 3 by 7. So minus 3 into I1 should be equals to 4. Kutile is that 3 into I1 2. So 5 3 are 15 divided by 7 minus 4. So I1 2. So 7 4 are 28. 15 minus 28 divided by 7 3 are 21. Chichu minus is that 13 na. So minus 13 divided by 21 ampere. Okay. Chichu I1. Okay, hotele current chu hila chitam. So masapena chu I to across B na chala hi is that ham current to 3 by 7. Okay. Abana to I1 to hilanga chi ham chilanga chi pa hai na he branch chi pa hi minus hum chala na minus means it is actually in this direction. Chichu 13 divided by 21 ampere. Okay. Kutile hilanga current chiza chuza ding ham, so just add both of them. So 13 by 21 plus 3 by 7. Okay. 7 3 are 21, 3 3 are 9, 10, 11, 12. Chichu 22 divided by 21 ampere. Okay. Chichu hindin Kirchhoff law mangcha khudan na. Ale to chu khat ben trick khat ben chu imandiu insult de a step 2 pitam. So point khat chu you have to assume the point as highest potential na chu chalai b pa hi, let's say x e pa hi lowest potential chu 0. Okay, kutel current jo se chu highest apara lowest chanchi na. So I1, let's say I2 and then I3. Okay, kutele Kirchhoff law chu I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equals to 0. Okay, Kirchhoff law at junction B. I1 to that ham, so x, okay, minus 4. Hilang ka chijang hai na I1 to. So x minus 4 minus 2 minus 0. So x minus 4 minus 2 minus 0 ka silaw ta. So chala hi resistance ten evaluation 2 to 4 his series arms na. So 2 plus 4 to 6. So by 6 plus I2 who x minus 4 divided by 4 plus I3 who x plus 6 minus 2 divided by 4 plus 2 to 6. So this should be 0. Okay. 4 to 6 LCM to 12 chalana. So therefore I will write here. So 2 into x minus 6 plus 4 3 are 12. 3 into x minus 4. So plus 2 into x plus 4 should be equals to 0. Okay. So into 2 na bolyo na Japan. So into 2. Abana into 3. So chohi into 3 na bolyo. So into 2. So into 2. Na aji chu denominator ki ba nga chala 12 ay hingay na LCM ni bolyo bacho. So here how much will you have? 2x, 3x, 5x, 6, 7x. 7x minus 0 ko 11, 6 2 are 12. 4 3 are 12, which is 24. 24 minus 8, which is 16. So therefore x to is podam. So 16 divided by 7 volt. Okay. To x pa hi volts or potential difference. So current v ki koi na. So therefore what is the current? Kutil I1 pa ko zat ding ham. So chi value pa hi na, x value pa hi chila input le chun. So this is your I1 na. Kutile x to 16 by 7 minus 4 6 divided by 6. Okay, that follow them. So 16 minus 7 6 are 42 divided by 7 into 6. So that dihalai. So 3 26 na. 26 divided by 7 into 6. So 2 3 are 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 are 6. So 13 divided by 21 ampere. Okay, so I1. Azoto sun ki bangam. So 13 by 21 d. Chuna Japan hi. Okay. So 13 divided by minus 13. Okay, minus omngai. Aji so 16 minus 42 so negative hi ngai so na minus minus. Kutile actual direction so hilang ham. It should be along this side. It should be along this side. A value to 13 divided by 21 ampere. Okay. Abana I2 to whole ki lechun. I2 to iti whole do ding ham. So x to 16 divided by 7 minus 4 divided by 4. Okay. Is that ham to 16 minus 7 4 28 divided by 7 into 4. So that means is that has 16 minus 28 so 12 na. So minus 12 divided by 7 into 4. So 4 1 is 4, 4 3 are 12. So minus 3 by 7 ampere. So I2. Okay. Kutele I2 to opposite lang na hilanga hi 3 by 7 achidit na so 3 by 7 ampere. Okay, di na current so azawasu 3 by 7. Okay, it is correct. Finally I3. I3 so tin hold you ham. So put this value here. Okay. Ita so no hold le si current 3 by 7 hita hanga 13 by 21 hita hanga aman ki gom ding hilanga chidit so na. So just add them. Okay. So that means 13 by 21 plus 3 by 7. Also able to bang wacho na. Okay, khutile hechi betang method ten yang ka bola la chun answer ki bang po chula na. So that means my answers are correct. Okay, ki bol ho na. Okay, khutile abana na. So next question. To he value chun chi ta bang azong ki pe thai hilai jong he value chun loop nium chuna chila hi. So you have two loops, so loop 1 and loop 2. Ahi wanga aki hi na chu piham tila hilai hi value chun battery achang sia kharam beta. Okay. So if you have a circuit khara chuna battery ta achang sia hongo mala chun battery ai bolai ba chu tang chila hi b pa he 10 volt a hi le chun d pa khoi za hi ngai ha d pa he 0 volt a hi ngai na. As you across the battery a potential difference to 10 volt a hi ngai chula. So here if this is 10, so here you have to have 0. As you 10 volt ki pi chula na. So now if battery bo se chang se ong ke pi ala chun, so you take this b as 10 volt and d as 0 volt. Khutile na hilanga si beta. So now this is an open circuit. Open circuit taba ka jithe da chu. So there is b upper ka chiding na b upper ka chiding d chen ka chide chu. So you see I will write here vb to 10 volt minus 5. So minus 12 into I, let's say current chilanga chi chu I tiu na chala hi. So minus 30 minus 3 into I should be equals to 0. Okay, open circuit equation chuna Japan here. So I will go from B like this till D. Okay, current to I tiu na khutila isa diha je solve le chun. So 12 to 3 who 15 into I should be equals to 10 to 5 to plus 5 minus 30 so minus 25. So current is minus 25 divided by 15. So 5 are 25, 5 3 are 15. So minus 5 by 3 ampere. Direct question current value hum posing na. Ala chu pt na ham, so current is actually so along this side 5 by 3 ampere. Okay. So to banga chu BCD branch sajong hi ki hol thai chu. So you go from B to D along this side hitin na chile chun. Is that the so B who 10 minus 10 minus 13 into hilang pa hi I1 tiu na chi. So 13 into I1, so minus 15 minus 22 into I1 should be equals to 0. So solve lechun 13 to 22 who's at 35. So 35 into I1 should be equals to, so 10 to 0 kutile 15 na minus 15 . So that means that hachi. So here I will have I1 is equals to minus 15 divided by 35. So 5 3 are 15, 5 7 are 35, minus 3 by 7 ampere na current chu. So that means current is flowing like this, value to 3 by 7 ampere. Okay. Ale hechelaya BD band sa hai na alaya heza chid hai. So let's say this is I2. I2 who is at dingham. So I2 will be the sum of 5 by 3 plus 3 by 7. So 7 5 are 35, 3 3 are 9, 7 3 are 21. This is 44 divided by 21 ampere. Okay. As you chila para 3 by 7 hunga, hilang para 5 by 3 hong lachun kisu to hunjana B here. So they will flow together along this side. Okay, bana. To hisi pa hi velachun azo ata chung ki bang talo pe chuna la hi. So resistance khar ta cho chala hi. So now chipa hi tabagam pitu ki bangam til azo langa na hai. So hichelai bol ho chu. So this question na hicho to ki bang ta chu chi. Mo design chu mi jana la hi. So here method khar pa chu na. Short trick ta bang pa chu kan man cho chala hi. So here I have x. B pa hai na highest potential ka ejo mala chun D pa hi 0 volt lowest potential na. Kutel current jo se chu highest apada lowest chan chiding. So here I will have here I1 chila hi I2 mana chila hi I3. Okay. Kutele I1 plus I2 plus I3 chu 0 hingai na. So here what is I1? X minus 4 minus 2 divided by 3 plus 3 to 6. So plus I2 who's at ham x minus 6 divided by 2 plus I3 who x minus 8 minus 4 divided by 8 plus 14 to 22. Okay, so this is 0. 24. So LCM to 24 is so if you solve this, 6 4 are 24, x minus 6 plus 12 into 2 are 24, x minus 6. So plus is that has like x minus 12 to 0. Okay. So 4x, 12x to 16x, 17x equals to 4, 6 are 24. 6 into 12 is 72 to 12. So I have 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 108. Kutile x value pa chu is that hang ponam. So 108 divided by 17 volt. Okay. X value chu kihedale x value chu chilain put leo chun na. I1 hang pododing, I2 hang pododing like that. Okay. So therefore I1 chu piham. So I1 to x to 108 divided by 17 minus 6 divided by 6. Okay, so solve that. So I1 hang pododing. So I2 to that ham. So 108 divided by 17. So minus 6 divided by 2. Okay. Similarly, I3 to solve legend. Abana I3 to that hang pododing ham. I3 to 108 divided by 17. So minus 12 divided by is that 24 na? 24. Okay. Okay, so let's solve legend. 108 minus 6 into 17 to 76 are 42. 102 divided by 17 into 6 na. So 108 minus 102 to 6. So 6 is cancelled. I will have 1 by 17 ampere. I want na. Similarly, abanazon bolechun. So 108 minus 102 divided by 17 into 2. Okay. So is that the 6 by 17 to so 3 divided by 17 ampere. Okay. Similarly, I3 jong hisa diham solve lechun. So I will have, I'll try to move this little bit. Okay. So 17 into 12 to, so you'll have 204. So 108 minus 204 divided by 17 into 24. Okay, so how much is this? Okay, solve lesson. So here I will have here 108 minus 204 to 96 minus 96 divided by 17 into 24. Okay, 24 into 4 to 96 na. So therefore I have minus 4 divided by 17 ampere. Okay. Kutile current chu itabang bangham masapena I1 to 1 by 17. Kutile hilangahi 1 by 17 ampere chi na. Abana I2 to hitilanga chi na. I2 to zadham. So 3 divided by 17 ampere chila chi na. Abana I3 to minus. Kutile direction chu chilang zo ai chi na. Chi chu 4 divided by 17 ampere. Okay. So 4 divided by 17 to 1 by 17 to 3 by 17 ay kyom kyan tajo. Okay. Okay, then hitan chu concept learning hi sauten na. To hi previous question khalni ga bolotin. Question kitong hoy na sima simple thebo cha actual exam question hoy. Hi jong le hi chita banga circuit hong ke pia la chun a solve dan pa chun he them ding wa chun na hi chi bolo za. Okay, then first question hi chi hi question na. The terminal potential difference between A and B. Chu pitina ham chi hi VA minus VB ke ti cho chi. So iti bol de chalai. So I need to find out current first. Na VA minus VB ju ka head ka sim no ka bol no mala chun chalai current chi pai ka head ngai chala. So therefore let's take this as X and this as 0. Chilang current pa hi I1 tiuten, chi pa hi I2 tiuten, khat pa hi I3 tiute. Okay. So that means X minus 3 divided by 1 should be equals to X minus 0 divided by 4 equals to the plus X minus 0 divided by 4 should be equals to 0. Okay. Is that the 4 into X minus 3 LCM to 4 na plus X should be equals to 0. So like 1 as a 4, 5, 6 X is equals to 12. Okay. 4, 3 are 12. X to that 2 volt. Okay. Kutile X ka head ala chun current to ipi ngai cha ha I ngai cha chula na I1 pa ngai cha chula. So therefore what is I1? So I1 is equals to chilai 2 value pa he chilai input le chun. So I will have here so 2 minus 3 divided by 1, so which is minus 1 ampere. So that means current to chilanga chi tina. Okay, current is flowing like this, it is 1 ampere. Okay. Kutile current direction head vala chun. So now I'm going to rewrite this. So plus minus minus plus. Okay. Question chun VA minus VB do chula na. So go from A to B. So VA, so when I go from A to B, itilang kachilachun. So plus apa da minus to minus na. So that means minus 3. Abana so resistance who minus apa da plus kachizia chu. So plus I into R. So 1 into 1 should be equals to VB. Okay, is that diha chala here? So therefore VA minus VB should be equals to, so minus 3 plus 1 to minus 2, that means 2 volt. Okay, answer is 2 volt. Okay. Next question. Next, the terminal voltage of a battery whose EMF is 10 volt and internal to 1 when connected through an external resistance 4 ohm is shown. So what is the PT question? Terminal voltage at na. Suppose if I take this as A and this as B, VA minus VB. You have to find out VA minus VB. So that means you need to know how much current is flowing here. Let's see single loop pa na. So single loop pa technique pa mang leuchun. So let's say current to I tute current flow pa na. So current flowing is I. So then plus minus plus minus minus plus. Okay, I will start from any point. Suppose point iya pa kakipatute. So point iya kakipatlasun VA across 4 ako minus 4 into I, across 1 ako minus 1 into I. So plus 10 should be equals to VA. Okay, so VA gets cancelled out. So here I will have here 5 into I is equals to 10. So therefore I is equals to 2 ampere. Okay, current kaheta na. Current kaheta lasun current so iti chiham. So 2 ampere hilanga chichuna hilanga. So 2 ampere kutile imacha change ball ngai lo na. So I will just go from B to A. So VB, okay. So VB plus to minus minus I into R. So 1 into 2, current 2 ampere. Okay. So plus 10 should be equals to VA. Okay. So B apa kachiding till A. Okay. So plus apa da minus to minus. So minus apa da plus to plus. So B pa ako na transfer lesson. So VA minus VB to that ham. So minus 2 plus 10. So which is 8 volt. Okay. So answer to 8 volt. Next question. So I think we have how many? So 2 more questions. Question 2 PM. The magnitude and direction of current in the following circuit is. That's a loop na. So one loop is given. Iti bolde loop KP you assign current clockwise and clockwise no na. So let's take here current clockwise I. I. Okay. Sign to bolding ham. So plus minus minus plus plus minus plus minus and plus minus. Okay. Equation 2 iya pa kakipadalachun. So VA across 2 ohm ako minus 2 into I abana plus 10 na 10 volt pa ko minus apara plus kichiza. So minus 5 minus 1 into I to I. So minus 7 into I should be equals to VA. Okay, so I'm going through the circuit like this. So VA is at tachalai. So now this is 0. Okay. Kutile 7, 8, 9, 10 I should be equals to. So 10 minus 5 to 5. So current is 0.5 ampere. Okay. Current ki heta na. Current head wala chun ipido question chun. So direction of current flowing in the circuit. Kutile current hi direction assume pau heti chuna. So now current is flowing like this. Magnitude to 0.5 ampere. It is going from A to B. Answer to 0.5 from A to B through E. So adita so question in D lo chala point E so so answer is option A. Okay, gang chal kan bola choi halo na question hoy circuit solve dan yan he theme wala he question hoy halo so these are very easy questions. Abana so find the current through 10 ohm resistor shown in the figure. 10 ohm choi ham so chala jungla hai na 10 volt pa. So here chicken koina ji cho piham tele aso x0 method te so na ki apply thei cho. So here if I assume this as x and this as 0 kutila current sirang hi I1 chi tiuten hilang hi current I2 chi hilang hi current I3 chi. So therefore I1 plus I2 plus I3 to 0 hi ngai na. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 should be equals to 0. Kutila I1 cho piham x, okay, x katiding minus 4.5 na. So x minus 4.5, so divided by 3. So plus I2 who x minus 0 divided by 6. I3 is able to. So x minus 3 divided by 10. Now I2 who plus I3 to x minus 0 divided by 6 equals to 0. Kutele 3, 10 to 6 LCM to piha 30 chule na. So 3 into 10 to 30 x minus 4.5. So 10 into 3 to 30 x minus 3 plus 6 into 5 to 30. Okay. So here you have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 x is equals to 18x that have 45. 45 minus 9 to 36. So here I will have here equals to minus 36 volt. Minus plus 36. Here I have also 45 na. Chila hi minus 9. So this is 36. Kutile x to that ham x is equals to, so 18 into 2 to 36 na. So therefore x is 2 volt. Okay. Current chun bido ham so current through 10 ohm kutile I2 value ki dong chuna na. I2 value chiti hold you ham. So therefore I2 is equals to, so 2 minus 3 divided by 10. It's a value pa hi chila input leo chun. It's hi I2 tine. Okay. So this is minus 1 divided by 10 or minus 0.1 ampere. So that means the current is actually in this direction and it is 0.1 ampere. Okay. Ale zo langai bol sao chi question pa hai na. Veleo hen chala step pa hi process is sao chuna. So how do you do this? To a short trick pa mang leo chun. So I'll try to redraw here. Resistance ABC 10 ohm, 20 ohm to 30 ohm. Okay. 30, 12 and 2. Chilangai 30 volt ma, chilangai 12 volt ma, chilangai 2 volt. Ale to atsu chilahi na center junction pa hi x lawen lang highest potential la leuchun. Current chutil chi de ha current chilangai la chi I1 chi na. Chilangai I2 chi a, chilangai I3 chi cho. Kutil highest point apara ju current chi su ke na brand zo si a cho. Ale Kirchhoff law chu apply leuchun. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 chi chu zat de ham 0. So I1 chu zat ham so x okay minus 30. Azola jo question na 0 hai jana to hai. So 0 helawin 30 zo na like keep pa hai. So you have to use this one. Chichu x minus 30 divided by 10 ohm plus x minus 12 divided by 20 I2 pa ho na. But I3 pa chu x minus 2 divided by 30 is equals to 0. LCM chu 30. So 3 into x minus 30 plus LCM to 60 did not. So 10, 20, 30 LCM to 60 is so here I will have 6 into x minus 30 plus 20 into 3. So 3 minus 12, x minus 12 plus 30 into 2. X minus 2 is equals to 0. Got solve legend 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 x should be equals to. So 6, 3 are 18, 36 and 4. So 0, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 220. Okay. So 220 220 na. So therefore x to that ham 220 divided by 11 to 20 volt. Okay. Kutel x na head vala chun question chun pi do ha. Current through 20 ohm ati chuna that means I2 ke dong tene. So I2 to that ham le. So therefore I2 is equals to chila x value pa hi chala input le chuna chi I2. So that means 20 minus 12 divided by 20. So which is 8 divided by 20. That is 0.4 ampere. Okay. Kibang chuna answer cho. So now we have proof. Method he value chuna ni pa hi nom zo chuna simple zo. So this is one of the application. Okay. Ta chuna hong chila ya khat pen pa hi in try lo chuna chi pa hi. Iti x chu chila x na na ding within chila nga 12 ohma 4 ohma 0 ohm na. So you can take this as I1 chi pa hi I2 na la theu chi pa hi I3 na la theu na. Okay, so you try that. To hina chain pen pending in saulo na short circuit ke dikhat meta example jo ita hi circuit chona ta suppose I have two resistance din juta three resistance chai battery kharom na la ale to chu pd tam tira suppose I take a wire. Okay, let's say this is 2 ohm chipa hi 2 ohm chong hi 2 ohm na chipa hi, so let's say 4 volt. Kutele current chu head ma bang chu current chu tai chi so na current will flow like this, okay, so I say current is I. Ale to hin suppose I take a wire. Okay, wire kala, so now I'm going to connect that wire like this. Okay, alo name ka bolte A B C D. So B to D khu wire khada ka join ala chun e hon assume ta alang pia circuit ho wire plain wire pa hai na. So across a plain wire we assume that there is no potential drop. Okay, alo le plain wire pa resistance na, so we consider the resistance of a plain wire to be minimum. Okay, so the smallest resistance minimum na current chu te hung ala chun matang hi chelang 2 ohm to 2 ohm chalana evan chelang power resistance aniam da hom. So the resistance of this is negligible, so therefore most of the current will flow here. Current chu chelang chi te lo ta chu chelang. Okay, so now whatever current you have is going to flow here, so which means so this part of the circuit is so this part of the circuit is now unused. Current chi te lo chu, so no current here. So current zo se chu BDR flow ta na, so therefore we say that this part of the circuit is short circuited. Okay, so we can say that here it's like how to say this is short circuited. Current in a bypass ta chu. Okay, current chu chelang zo achita na la. So now this is your circuit, there is no more current here, so this part is short circuited. Idea pa chu. Okay, I'll solve only one questions and so that I think you will understand here. Consider the circuit shown in the figure. Find the current through 10 ohm resistors when the switch is opened. Kutla switch hi open ala chun chala the circuit ki connect lo pe chala na. So this whole thing is basically a part of the circuit is like this. 10 ohm ma 20 ohm ma chala 3 volt ohm na chi hi bo circuit cho. So 10 ohm 20 ohm to 3 volt. Current chu te chi ding question chun current do chala na ale chi za dia solve la chun 10 to 20 khu series aw ma, so current will be 3 volt divided by equivalent to 30, so that means 0.1 ampere. Okay, ale to chu apoi mo second case pa hi la chun if the switch is closed, switch ta hong ki close ala chun ipite ta. So if you try to redraw the circuit ga redraw la chun na cha hi hi time ta cha, so 3 volt ma 10 ohm ma to 20 ohm ma am ke na ai wang chu ke ba lo na chu pem tela switch hong ki close ala chun ta hi wire kha chi ta chu lai wire kha chi na kutele current ahung ala chun current will come here to chu 20 ohm kho chi ta loading a bypass di ta chu chalai. So that means 20 ohm is short circuited. Okay, kutele 20 ohm short circuited here chun now it does not exist anymore. Okay, current lo na branch pa chu kila do jing chu, so now you have a whole thing like this. The circuit pa hi now it is something like this. It's 3 volt chipa hi 10 ohm. Okay, current chu za tam current chu 3 divided by 10, so that is 0.3 ampere. Okay, so circuit simple meaning pa chu na chu cho question circuit la dung bang bang an hab le le jiu na. So I hope you understand this. Khotile isan chu ti lecture ading na sawin na ha sang momong in ji chu circuit part chu I ha bol ji wa chu na mong saw kha hinden. So I hope you understand. We'll stop here. Kit phala khun circuit I bol valo I bol hai miro male I continue dio. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you understand. I'll see you in the next part of the video. Thank you.